Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet stitch. So I've already worked my starting chain for the purpose of this video. And when you're starting working into a chain with a double crochet stitch, you're going to want to make sure that you begin in the fourth chain from the hook, because the first three chains would then give the height of a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to work my first double crochet into that fourth chain. Yarn over your hook, push your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. I've now got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. I'm going to repeat in the next chain. So yarn over, push your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. All right, again, yarn over, push your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And you're just going to keep on going, working your double crochet stitches. I'm going to continue all the way down my row here so that I can show you how we begin the next round, or sorry, the next row. Be sure to also take a look at the links in the description below. I've included some helpful links there as well for other stitch tutorials and to my patterns. Okay, so now we're just coming up to the end of the row. All right. And that's your first row of double crochets. This is a really popular stitch. You're going to find it, honestly, in most crochet patterns. There will be either mainly double crochets, some steps that include a double crochet. This is a really, really important stitch to learn when you're learning how to crochet. So to start our next row, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. So now when you look at the top of your work, now that we have stitches we're working into instead of just our starting chain, it does look a little bit different. You've got this V shape. That is 1 stitch. So you want to make sure that you're working through the entire stitch. So yarn over your hook, push your hook right through that first stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And you're just going to keep on going all the way down, just like we did the last row. It's really just, I wanted to show you the look of working through a chain and working through a stitch. All right, so I know this video is short and sweet, focused completely just on double crochet stitch. Like I said, take a look at the links in the description below. I've included a few helpful links there. I've included links to my main pattern website, and I've also included a link to my playlist here on my YouTube channel that features all of my focused stitch tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it, 2 rows of double crochet. And I hope this helped you learn how to do this stitch and feel confident.